7th bit 2 problems also we have done. Yes, one I have explained and the other the same type of problem I have given you homework also. Yes, so today we will continue with the same bit the other problems. Whatever the leftover problems in that problems also we will complete in this class. Okay, so this worksheet is there in 155 page. Yes, get ready with your page 155, your classwork, pencil and eraser. Yes, so in 7th bit A problem already we have finished. Yes, and C problem, the same type of C problem I have given homework now, and B problem I will explain you today. Check it out in your term. See, Sohail earns 1,78,600 in a month. He spends 1,25,550. How much does he save? So here Sohail is a person, he is earning in 1 month, he is earning 1,78,600. Okay, and he spends his expenses in that month is 1,25,550. So how much is the money he is saving in that in a month is the question. Okay, so here how much he is saving means after expenses how much is left with him we have to find. So how we have the total or all together of the problem we will do addition. So here saving or leftover, here we will do the subtraction. Okay, so let us start with the writing part. So 7th bit, solution of B1. Okay, money earned by money earned in a month. So how much he is earning in the month? 1,78,600. Okay. So again money spends in a month. So in that term how much money he has spent? 1,25,550. Okay, so here you have to find how much he is saving. Money saved in a month. Yes, so here the leftover money, how much money is left with him we have to find, so we have to do the subtraction. Okay, so subtraction, if it is possible to do the subtraction of the number we will do minus, if not we will take borrow here. Okay, so see here 0 minus 0 it is 0, 0 minus 5, 0 minus 5 we cannot do subtraction, so we will take borrow from the before number. Here the number is 6. From 6 if we take 1 borrow, here we will have 5 and here it is 10. Okay, so from 10 you have to take out 5. So from 10 if we take out 5 we will have 5 here, and here 5 minus 5 again it is 0, 8 minus 5 3, 7 minus 2 5 again, 1 minus 1 0. Okay, so total how much he is saving in the month? 53,050 rupees. Okay, so therefore Sohail, yes, Sohail is saving rupees 53,050 rupees in a month. Okay, so in 1 month he is saving 53 rupees, 50 rupees. 53,050 rupees he is saving per month. Okay, and see this is about your B1. Now see D1 how it is we will see. There were 29,467 people seated when the cricket match began. At the end of the match, there were only 19,870 people in the stadium. How many people had left even before the match could finish? So here, how many are there? There are 29,467 people seated when the cricket match begins. So when the match is starting, 29,467 members are sitting, it seems. At the end of the match, at the last of the end of the match, there were only 19,870 people in the stadium. So only 19,870 people have watched the match in the stadium. So here they are asking how many are left without watching the match. Okay. So here the same D is also same like this only. Okay. Yes. So here D1. So what is it? Total number of people. Total number of people seated when the cricket match began. So total number of people. So total number of people there are 29,467. Okay. And the number of people in the stadium. So number of people in the stadium. So in the stadium, how many people are there till last? So there are 19,870 members. Okay. So you have to find how many people left. Number of people left you have to find. So number of people left without watching the match. So number of people left. So how many? So whenever left is asked, you have to do subtraction, no? So take minus symbol here. Then 7 minus 0. So from 7 you have to take 0. So it is 7 only. 6 minus 7. So from 6, 7 we cannot subtract. So we will take borrow. So from 4 if we take borrow, how much you will get? Here you will get 3. Here 16. Yes. Now 16 minus 7. From 16 you have to take out 7. So how much you will get? Yes. So you will get here 9. 3 minus 8. Again it is not possible. So take borrow here. So 8 here. From 9 if you take 1 borrow, you will get 8 here. Here 13. So 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 how much you will get? Yes. It is 5. Now 8 minus 9 it is not possible again. So from 2 you take borrow. So 1 is here and 18 is here. So 18 minus 9. 9 again. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. So total how many people left? 9,597. So therefore 9,597 people left before match starts. So before match starting only, these people they went. How many? Yes, left even before the match could finish. So without finishing the match, these people they left. Yes. So 9,597. So this is about your 7th bit. Yes. Now let us see your 8th bit. Let us see your 8th bit now. Fill in the blanks. See what are these fill in the blanks? See here these fill in the blanks are like missing numbers. See only just they have given the number to one side. The other side you have to just fill the other number. See here. See, you are having 341 into 671. See, to the other side of the equals to 671. See, this is order property. Order is changed here. 671 they have taken and one number they have missed. So whatever the number they have missed, you have to write here. This is order property of multiplication. Okay. So like this, you have one more question also. So finish bit 8. Yes. So finish bit 8 from your 155 page. Okay. So place is given there, so you can write there only. Now see your bit 9. Find the product. See, here you have to do the multiplication of the numbers. Yes, here they have given 4 questions. You have to arrange them in the column way and you have to do the multiplication. So see the 9th bit. A question. So what is the question? 8125 is multiplied with 75 again. So for doing this multiplications compulsory, every one of you should know tables. Tables learning is compulsory. Without tables you cannot do this multiplication. And after this you have division chapter also. If you learn these tables only, you can do the divisions also. If not, you cannot do these multiplications and divisions also. Okay, so learn tables, daily learn 2 tables and give 10 minutes of reading. If you know everything, daily give 10 minutes of reading. If you forgot anything, you daily read 2 tables. Okay, now take the question. 8125 is multiplied by 75. Okay, so 5 you have to multiply with all the digits and after finishing 7 you have to multiply with all the digits again. Yes, so 5 5s are 25, so 5 down, 2 is up, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 it is 12, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6 it is, 5 8s are 40. So after adding, if you just strike off the carried number, if you get the carries of the next number, it will be clear. Okay, so as you are starting the tens place, we don't want ones place, so ones place we will strike it off. We will fill it with the into 1. Now 7 5s are 35, 5 down, 3 up, 7 2s are 14 plus 3 17. So 1 is up, 7 down, 7 1s are 7 plus 1 it is 8. So 8 is here, 7 8s are, yes, 7 8s are how much? See, every one of you have to learn tables. Without learning it is impossible. Yes. So 7 8s are 56. So right here, after doing this one, you have to do addition of all these numbers. Yes. So 5 directly, 5 2s are, 5 plus 2 again, it is 7 again. 7 plus 6, 13, so 3 down, 1 is carried, 8 plus 1, so here you have 8 plus 0, so 0 if you add also you will get same number, so 8 plus 1 we are doing, 8 plus 1 is how much? It is 9, 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4 it is 10, so 1 you carry, 0 down, so 5 plus 1 it is 6, so write 6 there. So how much you got here? 6,09,375. Okay. So like this you have to do the multiplications. So in this you have same type of multiplications here. So you do the other multiplications. So bit 9, B to D, you do the other multiplications. Now we will start with the 10th bit. See 10th bit you have 2 word problems. We'll see what they are. Yes, a book is made up of 956 pages. How many total pages are used to make 56 copies of same book? Okay, so here they are talking about books and what they are saying in the question. Here they have a book which is made of 956 pages. One book is having 956 pages. How many total pages are used to make 56 copies of same book? So for one book they have 956 pages. So if they want to make 56 copies like that, so how many pages will be there? A1. So number of pages in one book. How many pages are there? 956 pages. Okay. So number of pages in 56 books. So in 56 books, how many pages are there? You have to find. Okay. So here 956 into 56. Multiply it to 56. So 6 6 are 36. 3 are 6 down. 6 5 are 30 plus 3 33. So 3 are 3 down again. 6 9 are 54 plus 3 57. Yes, now go with the next number. 5 6 are 30. 3 are 0 down. 5 5 are 25 plus 3 28. 2 are 8 down. 5 9 are 45 plus 2 47. Okay. Now do the addition of all the numbers. 6 here. 3 plus 0 3. 8 plus 7. It is 15. 1 up 5 down. 7 plus 5. 12 plus 1 13. So 1 is up. 3 down. 4 plus 1 it is 5. So how many pages are there? It is 53,536 pages will be there in 56 copies. So write the conclusion line. So total 53,536 pages will be there in 56 books. Okay. So by this we have completed our 10th bit A problem. Now we will see about B problem. If a man earns 15,450 per month, how much will he earn in 14 months? So this B problem is also same like your A problem only. You have to write money earned by a man in 1 month. You have to write the 15,450 and money earned in 14 months. Yes, 14 months you have to find. Oh, so okay. So the amount and 14 months you have to multiply and write the conclusion. So same like this you do 10th bit B problem. Okay. I will meet you in the next class with the next topic. Thank you.